Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today it's time to make more embellishments from our scraps. And the theme this time is Daddy Dearest because Father's Day is coming up. So what I plan to do is use this old die. I can't remember what it was called from Stampin' Up. But it has this really cool t-shirt in here with a tie. So I think what I'm going to do is possibly just put the t-shirt with, I'm not sure if there's a collar. Is that a collar? I'll have a play. So either that collar, I know that's a bow tie, so maybe that collar goes on there, I'm not really sure. Or that one, that looks like a female's collar though. And anyway, the t-shirt and the tie, and then put it on a base of a circle, punch circle. And I'm going to use obviously my white scraps for the circle. And then for the tie and the shirt, I plan on going through my scraps and finding some colours, hopefully with like blue in them somewhere, either the tie or the shirt, because I will also want to ink around the edge of the circle. Oh, words are hard today. Far out. Okay, so what, oh, there's a blue straight away. Okay, well that will work. What I will do is I'll cut them out and I'll fast forward it because you don't want to sit here and watch me die cut them all. These could be cool. I wonder if that will fit in a tie, or should I do the shirt in them? No, because then the tie will cover it. Let me have a look at the tie. No, they're too big. Oh, that would have been fun. Never mind, we will find another embellishment. What about this? This would be boring though, but we could do either a psychedelic shirt, well, that looks pretty psychedelic, and a blue tie. Do they go? Blue and green? What do you reckon? Like as if you're just going to answer me. Ugh. Yeah, that as a tie maybe, then it's not so, I don't know, I don't like they're not matching. What else do we have? I've got lots in here. I want blues. Oh, look at this one, could be another psychedelic. No, it's too bigger. Could I get enough shirts out of that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. I could get 5 shirts out of that. That's really cool. And then our tie, we can do out of this one. Oh, that'll work. And then I've got to work out the collar. Then I want a green maybe for the collar, or should I do the collar in the same as the shirt? Yeah. You're not going to answer me. Well, you probably are yelling at me, but I can't hear you. Am I being too fussy? I don't know. I just want to make something cool. Oh wait, there's a blue here. Is that too? No. Green. What have I got? A green collar maybe? Or this blue collar. Blue collar, get it? Ha ha ha. Anyway. Or we could go with this green collar, if I even do a collar. Why are you stuck together? That might work. Anyway, we will have a play. Right, so I'm going to fast forward while I cut these out on my Gemini Junior, and then I'll be back to assemble them. Okay, so I've punched everything out, cut everything out. I just want to quickly ink around these circles. I'll just do one and then I'll do the others later because I made you sit through most of that die cutting. And I tell you what, that collar, I could not work it out. I tried to fold it, I tried to draw on it to get it to work. No, nothing was working. So I've come up with, where's my prototype? Here. I'm going to have to actually cut it and then tuck it over the edge. We will see how that goes. Right. I may have to ditch the collar. So I'm just going to cut sort of in from here, not all the way down, and then in from this corner. I found the stamp set that goes with this, but it's just graphics to go on the front of the die cut t-shirt if you do it in plain paper. So that was no help, and I could not for the life of me work out how to make this work as a collar. I get that it's probably like the circle bit around here or something, but I couldn't draw it to save the life. So it's not going to happen. Now I've lost my glue. Okay, found it. Stop looking, I found it. So now my glue's stuck. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm going to pop a little bit of glue around here and hopefully this works. And then just sit the collar, hopefully it's in the middle so you can't see any of the shirt, and then just fold it over, and I'll glue that in a minute. But before that sets too much, that glue, I need to put the tie on. Whoops, and now my glue wants to come out in a big rush. Where's my tweezers? And I'm not used to these reverse tweezers. Oh, I have all sorts of trouble with them. I want to, oh, and now that won't lift. I want to, alright, so maybe I should put the tie on first before the collar. Oh, we live and learn, don't we? You will learn from my mistakes. Alright, that's going to have to do. This will be my one. Prototype's always mine. See, I go to pull away without opening the tweezers because I'm not used to how they work. Anyway, and this dude's tie is crooked, but alright, and then I'm going to glue this at the back, a little double do-ya. That's not even under the paper I need. And then a little bit under there. And then his pocket. Now I'm wondering, because it's got like black lines, do I do a stitching, I think maybe, across the top of the pocket to make it stand out, or maybe around the pocket? Oh, I'm going to do it. Okay, so just grabbing a black marker and doing the tiniest of stitches across the pocket, I think so we'll do. Do we do it all, or is that enough to, I think that's enough to show that there's a pocket there. I don't want to overdo it. Okay, and then we have our little pocket. Oh, so cute. And then he is literally just going to sit on this circle. I mean, I could send just like that, but I like it on a circle. So, do I like it on the circle? I don't know. Or do I just send that? Because that's stinking cute, isn't it? His pocket's good. I will percolate on the circle thing, because I just don't know. But he is really cute. Some fancy shirt. There you go. That, I think, will be my embellishment. I don't think I need to put it on the circle. I think the circle's a bit superfluous. Because I was thinking of putting it on a bigger die cut and then putting a sentiment next to it. But I don't know what sentiment, and people might want to use it for a birthday card or a scrapbook page about a Father's Day or a birthday or anything really. So I don't want to limit them with a sentiment. And I don't know whether I should. No, I'm just going to leave it off the circle. There we have our Daddy Dearest. That's what the theme is. Daddy Dearest embellishment made from scraps. That was fun. They look really cute. So if you want to join in on our swapping, then make sure you head across to Ginger's Corner. I will link the Facebook group below. It's an American-run Facebook group, but we have little swaps in different regions. So there's a swap in Europe, there's a swap for the American girls, a swap for the Canadian girls, and a swap for us in Australia and New Zealand. So you're not having to pay exorbitant postage to send your swaps to USA, for example. We just send them to a, because I'm based in Australia, we just send them to a team captain in Australia, and then she distributes them out to everyone in Australia and New Zealand. So it's just the price of a letter, really. So there you go. I think they're really cool. So I'll finish making these, and yeah, and I'll link the group down below. So thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell when you're subscribed so you know when my next video is coming out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.